Alright, now that we have our macro, we are ready to run it in an elegant way. And we will be exploring today two options of doing that. First one is having a button on the quick access toolbar, and the second one is creating a button inside the worksheet itself, and both work in just one click of a button. So quite fast and elegant. Okay, let's get started, and please feel free to follow along. So first of all, let's restore the original formatting using the backup. Let's get rid of the filter and the buttons that we created. See, right click and cut, right click and cut, and right click and remove from quick access toolbar. So the fastest way to add a button to the quick access toolbar is to use this drop down arrow and then go to more commands. And we have here the Excel options open, and we choose macros. We find our macro, we highlight it, and before we add it, I just want to mention a valuable thing, that we have the option either to save by default in all the Excel worksheets that we will be working with in the future, or just for this workbook. So since this is a macro that helps you to format the data for every Excel file that you have, it makes sense to keep the default. Now, I would highlight a button, and if I click on add, it will add the macro button just below the highlighted one. But for my case, I will put it at the end. And I have the option now as well to format it a bit, because it looks awful and pretty long. First of all, changing the name to format worksheet. And here you can as well have spaces and so on. And the default symbol I could change as well to, let's say, the A, because this is a macro is used to format. Okay. And now when me or another user will hover over it, we'll see format worksheet and click on it, and it works in just one click.